In this video, we will learn about the Python pass statement. We'll explore how to use pass in empty code blocks. Let's dive in. The pass statement is a null operation in Python. It literally does nothing when it's executed. It's used as a placeholder when a statement is required syntactically, but you don't need any action to be performed. Take a look at the code example. Defining an empty function without the pass statement will result in an error. The pass statement resolves it. There are several situations where the pass statement comes in handy. First, in function stubs. You can create placeholder functions that you plan to implement later. Second, in class definitions. You can define class structures without yet adding any implementation details. Here are code samples for both use cases. Let's explore more use cases for the pass statement. Third, in conditional blocks, you can handle specific cases where no action is required. Fourth, in exception handling, you can silently ignore specific exceptions. The respective code samples provide clear illustrations of how pass is applied in these scenarios. The pass statement is useful in loops when you want to skip specific iterations without adding any additional logic. A common pattern is to use pass when certain conditions are met but no action is needed. Example 1 shows skipping even numbers. Example 2 shows how it is used in the body of the loop. Let's compare pass with other Python statements such as continue and break. Pass does nothing. It's simply a placeholder. Continue skips the rest of the current loop iteration and moves to the next one. Break exits the loop entirely, stopping all further iterations. Understand the differences so that you will be able to pick the right statement while coding. When using pass, it's a good practice to add comments explaining why no action is taken. Use to-do comments for stubs that you plan to implement later. Also, consider adding docstrings for empty function stubs. However, avoid overusing pass. Always consider if other logic might be needed. An example of good practices is provided here. In summary, the pass statement is a null operation that does nothing when executed. Its purpose is to serve as a placeholder for empty code blocks where syntax requires a statement. It finds use in function stubs, empty classes, conditional branches, and exception handling. Remember, document its use with comments to explain intentions and future plans. The pass statement is a simple but powerful tool in Python that enables clean code structure during incremental development. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.